We are here to learn the online marketing and we can make the blueprint. And this whole webinar is regarding what tools you require for the online marketing, how you should start your online marketing, and which topic and which because in digital marketing you would do need not to understand all the topic, and digital marketing is a huge umbrella. So what specific tool actually you require, because some may be interested in Facebook marketing, some may be interested in especially Google ads. So what business requirement actually you have, and you can understand by this webinar by which service you have to opt, and secondly, and which thing you can do it very easily and effectively, and with yourself, even without any help of any digital marketing expert. So online medium, especially with the corona lockdown, we have lot of opportunities to explore our potential online. So there's many aspect in digital marketing. How many of you had run either paid ad, especially Google ad or Facebook ad? Please type yes or no in the comment section. I request all the audience, if you have ever run a paid campaign of Google ad, Facebook ad, just type me in the comment section. So we will understand which type of audience we have. Please just type me in the comment section. मैं चाहता हूँ आप लोग थोड़ा इंटरेक्टिव हो, तो पढ़ाने में मजा आएगा और मुझे बताने में मजा आएगा. तो आज के इस वेबिनार में सर किसी का रिस्पॉन्स आया सर?
Yes, Satya, Saksham is doing a paid campaign.
Okay. So, so now sir, you should start, sir.
And Mr. Srinivas is saying that he has not used any paid campaign so far.
सर आप अपनी तरफ से कौन सा स्टार्ट करें सर, अभी थोड़ा सा.
Okay, great. So, friends, going to start the session for today, wherein we are going to discuss a lot of things and we expect that you are going to learn a lot of things from here. So, be ready. And I would request everyone to take one pen, paper, and one water bottle with you so that in next 90 minutes you should not be disturbed for your water. And in case you have any query or question, so please put it on your paper so that in the last, when we would be doing a question and answer session, we would be taking all the questions, all the queries, whatever you have with you, so that you should have a crystal clear approach in your mind for your business promotions. And the objective for this today's webinar, web based workshop, actually this would be a workshop wherein you are required to do certain tasks here, certain activities. An objective is to identify gaps between your preparedness and what exactly is required to promote your business online. Actually, what is requirement, what is essential, what is the actual procedure as per the need of this today's marketing portfolio online, and what exactly you are carrying, you are possessing with you. So what gaps are there? So we are just going to create a blueprint that you would be doing it for yourself, for your business individually. So that is the short uh, blueprinting exercise we are going to take today. This is the objective. And please note that this would be a gap identification class wherein no so much practical experiences, so much practical activities would be there. Rather, we would be taking some practical exercises. But this is actually the planning of your business marketing online. So, what exactly is required and what is available and what are gaps, that only is going to be discussed in this class. So, please take a pen and paper, and whatever is being delivered, whatever is being discussed, please put a note on your paper. Whatever you have, that's okay. Put a write note, sign of write over there. And whatever you do not have, please write down on another page. So you should have two pages. On one page, what is required, means what is required. And if you have it, then please write it on the paper which is on your left side. And whatever you do not have and which is required, so please write it on your on the paper which is on your right side, so that you can have a crystal clear image what exactly you have and what you have to arrange to get a success in online marketing. So that is the exercise today. Let's start. Be ready. So those who are ready here, please put ready in the chat box so that I can get motivation from you to start the session today. Please put in the chat box ready. Great, great. Yes, waiting for you ready. Yes, yes, I'm getting ready from your side. Wonderful, wonderful. So, what we are going to learn today, the one thing, business goal, how to create a business goal and what is its importance in your business. Second thing is business planning, how you can plan a business. This is actually the foundation for your business to get success through marketing. Third thing, marketing strategy. And the fourth one is marketing plan. Fifth one, marketing framework and execution. Only five things we are going to discuss in detail. Yes, thank you. Thank you. Everyone wrote here. Ready? Okay, so let's start. Satya, my screen is visible here. And in case you do
Yes,
not,
sir.
yeah, great. So please be ready to understand how actually marketing takes place. कैसे marketing काम करता है? Please uh, keep your eyes on this screen so that we can understand the basic mechanism of marketing. Here you are here on your left side, you with your product, and there is a crowd of people, and out of this crowd there may be your clients there, your potential clientele is there, a big crowd of people is there on the earth, and out of that, so there are people who actually requiring your product, but the problem is neither you know them nor they know you. ना आप उन्हें जानते ना वो आपको जानते हैं. एक किनारे पर आप खड़े, दूसरे किनारे पर पब्लिक खड़ी है. आपको नहीं पता पब्लिक में आपका ग्राहक कौन सा. यू डोंट नो who exactly is your customer or potential customer in this crowd. And the crowd or potential customer also exactly do not know that you have certain products. They can be useful, beneficial, value adding to their lives and profession. Now, what is exactly required to connect you with this clientele and this clientele with you? Essential elements of successful online marketing. So there are certain elements which actually require to connect between both of you successfully. The one thing, business goal, you should have one crystal clear goal in your mind, what exactly you are going to gain from the business and at which level you want to reach. What is your end goal? What is your end target actually? Second thing, then a planning, one blueprint, how you would reach over there, means the planning to reach over there. And the third thing, what approach you are going to take. What approach you are going to take. Are you going through X way, Y way, Z way? So there may be certain ways. and what actions you are required to take. What actions? It's a set of actions which is called marketing plan and framework. How or what would be the medias to reach over there? Medias, the actual platforms and medias, and the execution. So these are basic 6 things which are required actually to get success in marketing, whether it is online or offline. But because we are learning here online, so we talk about online only. Rather, this works in offline mode as well. So these 6 things are required. Please note or take a note, or you can take a picture of this. So you would be requiring these 6 things to get success in marketing online. How this would work now? You have one product or series of products or group of products or bunch of products with you, which actually you want to sell to the potential clientele which is on other side. How actually this product will go to them, how you'll put, how you'll reach to the right customer, how your product will be placed with the right customer. So that is through value adding marketing. So if your product is adding some value to the life or profession or career of the people, then you have to market this in the way that the marketing itself also should add the value before your product is reaching over there. So that is the psychology of marketing nowadays in online platforms specifically. When you are marketing, then you're marketing whatever you are communicating through audios, videos, or by any means of marketing. This also should add value to the potential customers. Then it would be a successful marketing. And you have to run your marketing through various elements and channels, so that we are going to learn here today. So this is the actual basic process the marketing takes place in online mode. Let's move ahead. Let's do an assessment. What do we require and what do exactly we have in our hand? The first thing, as we have discussed earlier, that there are 5 things we are going to learn here. The one thing, business goal. What is exactly this business goal? Business goal represents a larger purpose, larger purpose. That is maybe your bond. That is that may be your requirement. And it establishes an end goal for the team or you, your team, your company, your people, your hands, your associates, your affiliates, those who are working for this particular business or organization, either you or your people and your people. It just establishes one purpose to work toward. उस तरफ बढ़ने का एक जरिया, एक मिसाल, एक मंजिल तय करता है बिजनेस गोल, जिसके लिए रोज सुबह उठ के आप काम करें. एवरी मॉर्निंग you should have something in your mind to reach, means to take steps, to work more, to put your energy, to take actions. So that is the business goal. It gives you motivation, it gives you way. How it gives you way? So I'm just asking you here, those who are here, आप में से मैं पूछना चाहता हूं कि कितने ऐसे लोग हैं जो वास्तव में जिनका कोई बिजनेस गोल है. Those who have a business goal, please put your such a money and company branding. Great. Yes, from Saksham only so far. Yes, Saksham. Yes, so no answer. No answer from other sides. In case you have any goal with you, business goal, then please put in the chat box in case you have created one. If not created, you can write here no. So that also, yes, uh, s- no, yes, I'm yet to start. Wonderful, great. Yes, next, please. Chandrasekhar ji, no. Great. Wonderful. No. Then please create one today. So I'm going to demonstrate how you can create one. So first of all, one example of one business goal. Business goal should be like this. Why 31st March 2031, there should be always one date by which you are going to achieve whatever is your want in your mind. By 31st March 2031, the Margdarshan Guru team will add value to 10 lakhs lives. 10 लाख लोगों की जिंदगी में वैल्यू ऐड करेगी थ्रू ट्रेनिंग सर्विसेज. ठीक है. 10 लाख लोगों की जिंदगी में वैल्यू ऐड करेगी. ये एक बहुत ही क्रिस्टल क्लियर गोल होना चाहिए. तो दिस इज वन एग्जांपल. लाइक दिस यू कैन क्रिएट वन फॉर योरसेल्फ. Yes. So you can take a picture of this. Write your business goal. Now, this is one exercise for you. Please create one goal right now, whatever comes in your mind. And the template is here. By this particular day, month, year, the organization's name, put your company name, put your business name here. This team will reach. Team is optional word. You can remove it from here. Will reach at certain peak. What would be your target of your business? And through how you would be serving, what would be your product, what would be your service. So that you have to put here. So the four things are required to put in a goal. Please create one for you. So I'm waiting for you. I'm waiting for you till the time you write one goal for your business. Please write one goal for your business. Write one goal for your business. You can write in terms of money. Your peak, your goal can be in terms of money. It can be in terms of your other parameters, like we created it for 10 lakhs lives. So you can also take it. So I'm waiting for your reply. जल्दी से आप अपना chat box में लिखें कि what is your goal. So that is the exercise today. The first exercise is this: write a good goal statement for your business. Good goal statement for your business. That is actually basic need. Rather, we are going to learn here digital marketing online. But for that, the basic thing is required. What is your purpose in your mind for which you are going to work every day? रोज काम करने के लिए आपके पास कोई मोटिव होना चाहिए. Please put that motive in crystal clear words. Write a statement communicating your business goal. Yes, please, waiting for you. Wonderful, wonderful. So from Srinivas Achar, 50 lakhs by 31st March 2022. Great. Saksham, 3rd April 2021 to 3rd April 2006, sale 50,000 devices, automatic intelligent machines. Wonderful, great, Saksham. Saksham, yes, great. So waiting for others. One device price is still 3,000, not a problem. So price, anything there may be. Irrespective of your pricing, you just have to reach a peak goal, means where you want to reach in near future. Yes. So waiting for others reply here. Please put in the chat box. Saksham, great. You could write here. And Mr. Srinivas Achar, you could do it. Yes, others also, please. So I would request everyone, please do hurry. जल्दी से लिखें आप कि what is your business goal? What is your goal statement for your business? Please put in the chat box. Okay, great, great, waiting for you. Create, yes, Paramjit Grewal, create disruption in trade of leaves. Wonderful, great. But Paramjit Grewal ji, I would request you to put some numbers. So create disruption is ongoing process, but you cannot create disruption in entire world. You have to specify some limits, some boundaries wherein you want to reach. कहाँ तक पहुंचना चाहते हो? कोई स्पेसिफिक डेट तक, कोई टाइम, कोई साल, कब तक कितना काम करना चाहते हो? बहुत स्पेसिफिक होना चाहिए आपका बिजनेस गोल, क्योंकि यहाँ हर यस यस ग्रेट ट्रेड ऑफ लीव्स जनवरी 2023 वंडरफुल ग्रेट so nice, Paramjit ji. Rather, you joined late, but you could do it so quickly. Thank you. Thanks a lot. So let's move ahead. चलिए आगे बढ़ते. तो बिजनेस गोल आप सब कर पाए. That was our exercise for today. And the second thing, which is actually the basic backbone and foundation for our business, and it has 5 elements, and this is called business planning. So that is the wonderful task and very essential thing. Dallas Ford, Punjab, great. This is very wonderful thing, and people generally do not do this exercise during their business, which is actually required. Actually required. Great, Chandrasekhar ji. I got this to recruit 100 retail agency advisors by June 30. Take promotion by March 31st, 2022. Wonderful. Great. बहुत बढ़िया. Thank you. So business planning, you should have a planning to reach your business goal. Now you have wrote your business goal. Now please plan how would you reach, because ad hoc preparation or ad hoc movement or ad hoc progress will not reach over there. आपको वो वहां नहीं पहुंचाएगी. So you should create one solid and shock-proof foundation to reach over there. So what exactly is required for this business planning? So there are 5 things which are actually required. One is distributive goal plan. Whatever you have created as a business goal, now you have to break it in small pieces to achieve one by one. एक एक करके एक एक स्टेप को अचीव करना है. उसके लिए you have to break it in parts. How you can break it, this is a good science of goal making. So that I'm going to demonstrate you. The second thing, finalize product with clarity of why. So in case you have clear product with you, like Chandrasekhar ji is having insurance products with him, and Saksham is having automatic intelligent devices. Like you should have a crystal clear image of your product that this is ready. And second thing, how prepared you are. What is required from your side, and are you prepared in that way or not? Fourth one is market demand analysis. So do market have exactly demand for your product and how much demand it is? Second, competitor analysis. So these 5 things are required. So I'm going to demonstrate it in detail. The one thing is distributive goal plan. So you all have to do this like this. This one is example there. So one goal, business goal, you have seen that Margdarshan Group team has created, that they are going to transform 10 likes lives. I mean, they are going to add values to the 10 likes people's lives by 31st March 2031, and how this would be achieved step by step. So we have broken it in 10 years, 10 steps. So what work we are required to do in 2020, year 2020, 21, 22, 23, 24, like this up to 31. So for this particular year, 2021, we have to serve 7,500 people in the whole year. and we are going to earn INR 600 rupees on average from each of the person. And this way we are going to earn 45 lakhs in this particular year. So that is the plan for this year. And rest we have left for future or past. We have to focus on this one only. 45 lakhs, 7,500 people, 600 rupees per person. And further, in the B plan, we have to break this 1 year's plan in monthly plans. So for year 2021, what we have to do: April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December, January, February, March. So 650 number of beneficiaries and average value of earning per person 600 rupees, and how much money we are required to earn per month. This, and at the end of this particular year, we would be earning 45 lakhs this way. So now in one go, we have to focus in 1 month. We have to serve 650 people, and wherein this money would be byproduct here. So money would be byproduct. It is indirect benefit of us, but the direct thing is that we are committed to serve 650 people in a month. So this way you have to create one crystal clear image for your business, the goal, business goal, and the year wise goal. So you have to create distributive goal plan, and then distributive goal plan B, month wise goal plan for 1 year. So that is the second exercise you are required to do. I think in case you do not have, please watch this video again and again, and then create one distributive goal plan A, distributive goal plan B for your business. So that is the second exercise which is required by you to be done uh, today evening, I mean after this session, or tomorrow morning, because this would give you the right way to move ahead. Then the readiness of product. Readiness of product means, so what is the example of this? Online marketing mastery is a ready to launch product with us. Like we have one product. This is one example. So this is the wonderful product with us, and that is ready to launch. So, and because this is our best product and it covers everything, why we are taking this product only out of many products we have? Because this product is the best product by our team, created by our team. ये प्रोडक्ट हमारी टीम द्वारा बनाया गया सबसे अच्छा प्रोडक्ट है. दैट्स व्हाई वी आर टेकिंग दिस वन प्रोडक्ट हियर. तो एक प्रोडक्ट तैयार है, लाइक सक्षम के पास एक प्रोडक्ट तैयार है, चंद्रशेखर जी के पास इंश्योरेंस प्रोडक्ट तैयार है, एंड श्रीनिवास आचार्य जी के पास क्या प्रोडक्ट है, आई डोंट नो व्हाट काइंड ऑफ ट्रेनिंग ही इज एक्चुअली डिलीवरिंग. तो वो प्रोडक्ट आपके पास रेडी होने चाहिए. यानी प्रोडक्ट 100% डिलीवरेबल मोड में हो, कि इफ ऑर्डर कम्स ओवर देयर, then you are able to deliver the product. You should have a ready product. So please create, in case you do not have, you can create one. And the third thing, self-preparedness. So are you prepared? Great. You are a soft skill trainer. Wonderful, Srinivas Acharya. Third thing is self-preparedness. What exactly it is? Self-preparedness, the example is, what strengths do you have? Like in case in our product, in our case, that we are passionate to train people. So we have training skills, we have learned training skills, and we are really passionate to train people. We love training people. So that is one strength. Because we love training people, then if people are not paying, then also we are happy. They are paying less, then we are happy. But people are there and we are training them. So this is a matter of happiness for us, matter of satisfaction, matter of contentment for us. So that's the thing. And we have studied and possess a long experience in online marketing sector. So that is our strength, which is going to help us cracking competition and taking competitive advantage from the market and reaching our business goal. So that one strength you should write for yourself. What exactly is your strength? When your business is not performing well, then also you should have motivation to move ahead. So for that, you would require this strength. What do you have exactly as a strength to move ahead in your business? So that one thing you should know, you should write on the paper, because whenever the business is not going well, you should remember and should keep continuing. One thing, that is first part of self preparedness. The second part, team and skill set. In our case, if we talk about the example, in our case, we have four skilled hands for marketing, only marketing. There are four people who are taking care of marketing and they're experienced in marketing, and we are happy with them. So we have skill set to do marketing online. Like this, you should also have marketing people in your hand. In case you are able to do it, you have a skill set in you, then it's okay. Otherwise, you can explore it from outside. Second thing, budget. We have reserved a bucket of certain amount to bear marketing expenses for 24 months in case we are not earning a lot of money, or we are earning small money. Then also we would be continuing marketing for next 24 months. So that bucket we have created, that budget we have created for us. So in case we are not performing well right now, then also we would be doing marketing and we would be keep forwarding, so that the budget cannot be an issue with us. So we have created a bucket. So do you have such things with you? In case you do not have created some bucket, please create one. It will give you a peace of mind. It will give you some sense to move ahead. So this exercise you are required to do. In case you do not have, please create one. And the fourth thing, competition assessment. This is the great thing, very essential element of business planning before moving ahead. People generally do not take it so seriously, and it has multiple factors. Who are your close competitors? Exactly. Who are playing nearby? कौन से ऐसे लोग हैं जो आपके क्लोज कॉम्पिटिटर हैं? हाउ डू दे मार्केटिंग एंड सेल? कैसे वो मार्केटिंग कर रहे हैं, कैसे वो बेच रहे हैं लोगों को, ये पता होना चाहिए आपको. एंड हाउ दे आर मेकिंग मनी, वो कितना पैसा बना रहे हैं, हाउ दे आर मेकिंग मनी, what are their strengths and weaknesses. So you have to analyze this in your market. Whenever you are doing marketing, you should have such data with you, and this exercise is to be done by you. आप सब जितने लोग बिजनेस में हैं, उन सब के लिए ये एक्सरसाइज बहुत जरूरी होती है. And the fifth thing is market analysis. And this is not a one day exercise, it is a ongoing process. Whenever you are moving forward in business marketing, then please keep updating your data. And what aspects of this marketing demand analysis is how much useful your product is in market, how much demand it has. So you have to test in market. How you can test it, we can make you learn. And what margin your product has, कितना आप बचा रहे हैं, आपके प्रोडक्ट का फ्यूचर कितना है, फॉर हाउ मेनी इयर्स लॉन्ग इट इज गोइंग टू रिमेन इन द मार्केट, और इसका कोई अपग्रेडेशन मार्केट में आने वाला है तो आपका प्रोडक्ट अगर ऑब्सोलेट हो गया तो आपको प्रॉब्लम हो जाएगी. तो ये मार्केट एनालिसिस करना भी आपको जरूरी है. This exercise also is required to be done by you. So these were the 5 elements of your business planning. One thing, business goal, well defined and crystal clear goal. Product ready. Business goal means well defined and crystal clear goals means the distributive goal plan. Product should be ready, self preparedness, competitor assessment, and market assessment. These 5 things are required to be done by you. Please do this exercise to get good growth in your market, in your business. And the third thing which we talk about, marketing strategy. And this actually is required to create one approach. You have decided your target, you have to reach over there. And then what things are required to reach there, means how would you plan your way, that you have created. Now what approach you are going to take, so that is called strategy. How you'll kill the competition, how you'll win the competition, how you'll overcome your obstacles, your barriers, whatever will come in on the way. वो सब कैसे होगा, वो मार्केटिंग स्ट्रेटजी बताएगी आपको. मार्केटिंग स्ट्रेटजी आपको क्या क्या बताती है कि उसका प्राइस क्या होगा, कैसे प्रमोट करोगे, हाउ वुड यू प्रमोट योर प्रोडक्ट, what pricing would be fixed for this, and who would be selling, who would be marketing it, who would be delivering it, and who would be taking care of customer care. That all the things are required to be decided in advance or during the marketing process. So this is actually the approach to move towards your destination, winning the potential hurdles and barriers. So that is marketing strategy. So now let's take one example of this. Key points while deciding one marketing strategy. Uh, when we created one marketing strategy for our business, so what key elements were with us, what we thought, what we planned as a marketing strategy. So we put our pricing unbeatable. Now you are learning business marketing at rupees 149. So this is unbelievable cost. All over India and across the globe, you would not be getting this kind of training, live training by the trainers, online, offline, in any mode at rupees 149. So there is unbeatable pricing. So competitors cannot come on your price. So that is one thing. That is one key point. Hybrid LMS model. So hybrid LMS model was not in place, not in practice when we started this, wherein we integrate more than one type of teaching training, like online training live and telephonic support, computer support, AnyDesk support, WhatsApp group support, weekly support. So a lot of kind of learning models are being integrated by us at unbeatable price. So competition and competitors cannot create a big harm for us. Customer support, whenever customer calls, we are available for them. Daily we are sparing 2 hours, means all the trainers are sparing 2 hours every day just to take care of customers in case they are feeling some hurdles. So we are providing support to them. So this is one key point. And maximum users of free or low cost marketing channels. So we are the only one agency, only one training company which is teaching and using very low cost or free cost marketing channels and creating community. So we have created community first and then started marketing. So these were the key points while we designed our marketing strategy. You also can design some key points for your business. Apart from that, we have what we decided in our marketing strategy and what is exactly required to create one ideal marketing strategy goal. So there is one more goal again. So what strategy we started in the year 2021, 2020. So we were playing in offline mode. We were training people in offline mode. And 1 year back, we changed our strategy goal and we added, I mean, online training also in our module because COVID-19 had started and there were a lot of offline work for the people. And that was our strategy goal. We have changed it for us. Customer persona. So you have to create your customer persona, which is the category of the people who are exactly your potential customer. So that is a science of designing customer persona, which you should have with you. In case you do not have so far, please create one. And how you can create this, we can make you learn. Product pricing model. So in case you have more than one product, then how you would place your product in the market so that competitors cannot beat your product. So your cost, your competitor, your margin, everything should be accommodated over there. Product pricing model and marketing framework. How to market it offline or online. In online, what channels you are going to opt for marketing. In offline, what channels you are going to opt. So, and who will do the market? Who will do the marketing? Your own team or outsourced team? Skill sets, marketing budget. You should have certain amount in your hand to make an expense on marketing, because marketing is again one expensive affair for your business. Placement, how to sell, deliver in the market. So that is going to be decided in the मार्केटिंग स्ट्रेटजी. मार्केटिंग स्ट्रेटजी फेज में ये सारी चीजें आपको डिसाइड करनी होंगी. क्वेरी कौन लेगा, कंप्लेंट कौन लेगा, फीडबैक कैसे आएगा, फीडबैक को कैसे आप टिकट्स क्रिएट करोगे, उसको कैसे रिजोल्व करोगे, कैसे लोगों का फीडबैक लोगे. दिस होल एक्सरसाइज इज टू बी डिसाइडेड इन business marketing strategy, and that is a third thing and very essential thing. So in case you do not have it, please create one. So as I have communicated earlier that we are going to uh, learn you that how to create one customer persona. Buyer persona means the person who is going to buy your product. Who would it be? What education they have, what age, what age people you are going to purchase your product, what is their gender, is your product is for man, women, kids, patients. So what is their profession, at what location you are going to sell at one go. Like in case you are in South India, then you would be targeting South Indian states, and in case you are in North India, then you are going to target some specific states only. And your product is for married or unmarried people. What is their income level, what is their education, what is their language. So we have created one customer persona for us, that our business is B2B and B2C both. Age 25 to 55 years, gender male female both can be our potential clientele. Work profession, teachers, trainers, freelancers, educationists, and business managers can be our customers. So we do marketing in this particular field only. Location, A and B class cities. The really our potential customers resides in A and B class. From C class cities, we are not getting so much customers. So we are putting our energy, money, and efforts in A and B class cities, wherein teachers, trainers, freelancers, educationists, and business managers. So those, the communities are being created already for such kind of people, and we are consistently creating more communities to promote our business in those people to get maximum benefit from them. Marital status, any, either they are married or unmarried, so they can be our customer. Income level below 2 lakhs per month. In case people are earning below 2 lakhs per month, they are more interested in our products. Education 12 plus, any language, Hindi and English, any language. So that is our customer persona. In case you have not created one for you, you should create one. Please do this exercise tomorrow, because whenever you are going to create online campaigns, that you would require this data with you. Otherwise, online system, social marketing channels would not be able to exactly create community for you. Next, marketing plan. So marketing plan is what? This is the bunch of activities you are actually going to take after creating your marketing strategy. Once your business planning is in place, then marketing strategy is required to form. In case you have formed marketing strategy, then the actual number comes to decide the activities to perform. So that comes in the marketing plan. And what are its elements and what are examples? What target you have? Like we have a target of 20,000 new people per month, 20,000 new people per month, and 400 conversions. हमें 20,000 नए लोग हर महीने चाहिए, उसमें से 400 कन्वर्जन्स होंगे. ये पिछले साल का है, अभी 650 हो गया है. Out of 20,000 we would require 400 conversions, and that is 2 to 5% conversion. जिन लोगों को हम मार्केटिंग कर रहे हैं, we are going to put our advertisement, we are going to marketing, we are going to chase those people, and out of those we are getting 400 conversions. Out of 20,000, if we are marketing, we are placing advertisement to 20,000 people, and out of those 20,000 people 400 conversions are getting done, means We have done marketing online on online channels, online social media platforms, and out of those 20,000 people have shown their interest, and out of those 20,000 people, 400 conversions comes actually. So the conversion rate is 2 to 5%. Channel selection for brand awareness and lead capturing. We put our advertisement on Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp, Telegram, Google, website, sales funnel, email, referral, and affiliate. And for lead nurturing and conversion, we do cold calls, offers, discounts through emails, SMS, and WhatsApp. We do takes these approaches. And marketing framework, Facebook ads outsourcing, rest everything in house. So Facebook ads outsourcing we used to do earlier, but now we are doing Facebook ads also in house. Rest everything is in house, means we are doing marketing framework. I mean, we are uh, putting our ads on Facebook and we are putting our ads on all other channels of online marketing. Ad campaigns, we run 4 campaigns per month, which is beating competition. Others are not able to, I mean, our competitors are not putting 4 campaigns per month, but we are putting 4 campaigns per month. Target setting examples, how you would set your target, like existing conversion rate in case you have 2% means you are putting your advertisement in people, and wherein the number of people is 1000 and out of those you are getting interest of 20 people only, then your conversion rate is 2%. And expected conversion rate, it should be 5%. In industry, the benchmarking conversion rate is 2 to 5%. In case you are playing on 2%, then you can take it up to 5%. Like in terms of numbers, 400 people per month, in case we are going to convert 400 people per month, then we have to have 20,000 leads in 1 month, and every month we should chase 20,000 people to get 400 conversions in a month. And potential client in our network is 5,000 already we have in our hand, then 15,000 people are required to be chased in one particular month to get 400 conversions. So this science of marketing works this way. Channel selection, online, offline. Offline, mouth publicity, pamphlets, newspaper. In online, Facebook, Telegram, Google, WhatsApp, and many more. Marketing framework, exactly what is this marketing framework? Marketing framework is what material, what channels, what hardware would you require to market your business. That is called marketing framework. Means the ecosystem. The website, one you would require one website for you. Google My Business page, that is your requirement. Sales funnel system, in case you do not have, then you would require sales funnel system to promote your business. One commercial email with SMTP, you would be requiring this. Payment gateway integration, you would be requiring to put on your website, to put on your other sales funnel systems and other uh, sales online stores. And Facebook Business Manager, you would be requiring to do paid campaigns in 2.6 billion people across the globe. And online store, you would be requiring to create for you so that people can see your product details, your company details, from there can buy without any manual intervention automatically. So that would be requiring WhatsApp business account. You should be requiring Telegram channel, YouTube channel, blog site, video editing softwares, and few more you would be requiring. These are the actual elements of marketing framework to do marketing online. In case you do not have certain things out of this list, then please arrange at the earliest to get the maximum benefit from online marketing. Now the execution plan, what would you be requiring to execute the things which you have planned? First thing, business goals. Second thing is business planning. Third thing is marketing strategy. Fourth thing is marketing plan. Fifth is execution plan and marketing framework. And the sixth one is execution plan. To execute all your planning, you would be requiring ad creatives designing. So whenever you would be designing advertisements for your business, then you would be requiring designing creatives and images, freebies designing. So you have to distribute some free things to the people, to the new people, to the crowd, so that they can get attracted towards you, just to take their attention, to draw their attention, to capture their attention. So you would be requiring to distribute some free things. And in online marketing portfolio, the popular things which are getting attention of people is ebooks. You can give them free ebooks, you can give them videos, and you can give them offer them discounts, other offers, coupons, tickets. So these are the things which are required to design by you to circulate it in your advertisement or through your advertisement. As I have communicated earlier in the second slide, that you would be requiring at the time of marketing, you would be requiring to add value to the people. Before your product is reaching there, your communication, your advertisement should also add value to the career, profession, and lives of the people, so that they can pay attention towards you and your business. And lead capturing, you would be requiring lead capturing, how to capture lead qualifying is one process, lead nurturing is one process, conversion, customer care, cross selling, upselling. So these are the actually requirements to execute your plan. And how you can do it, we can make you learn this better way. Now, what are the essential skills to learn? आपको क्या क्या ऐसी चीजें जो सीखनी चाहिए अपनी बिजनेस को, अपने मार्केटिंग को सक्सेसफुल बनाने के लिए? वेबसाइट मेंटेनेंस, यू शुड लर्न योर सेल्फ. You should know how to maintain your website. Rather, in case you could do design your website, that would be rather better. So we would recommend to learn website designing, website maintenance yourself, and marketing through it. Why? Because alone website can give you 4% conversion rate, alone website, and without any human intervention. Because people come over on your website, they visit your website, and they can buy your product, your services from there. They can book your product, your services from there. Without any human intervention, you can create up to 4% conversion through website. So you should learn this skill for the betterment of your business promotion and business. And second, ad creatives design, how to create attractive ads, that you should learn ad designing, ad creatives designing. Fourth is video ad design. This is actually performing well in marketing. I mean, videos are being liked by the people, and video advertisement is popular nowadays. It is an ultimate way of marketing and advertisement, and it is giving good kind of conversion and lead capturing. So you should also learn how to create video advertisements. Sales funnel marketing system is giving 2.5 to 5% conversion rate. So this is the thing of नए जमाना, यानी नए जमाने की चीज है. This is the actually way of marketing which is very much popular in nowadays. So you should go for it. And Facebook marketing, it gives up to 7% conversion. Email marketing gives you 2% conversion. And WhatsApp marketing, this is really wonderful marketing platform for free. I mean, without making any expense on marketing, and you can create a lot of leads. You can even sell your product online at WhatsApp alone, and it gives you a lot of benefit in marketing. We are running a major stack of our business and marketing on WhatsApp, and we are getting good kind of results, really. So you also learn WhatsApp marketing. And nine, social media marketing, it also gives you 2 to 5% conversion rate. SMS marketing can give you benefit of 1% conversion, up to 1%. Google ads can give you 3.4% conversion. Google My Business Page, 5% of Google My Business Page visitors result in a customer action. जितने भी लोग गूगल माई बिजनेस पेज देखते हैं उसमें से 5% लोग कन्वर्ट हो जाते हैं. तो आज मेरे साथी सत्य आपको बताने वाले हैं कि गूगल माई बिजनेस पेज कैसे क्रिएट करते हैं. What is the actual science behind this and how you can make popular, how you can create your footprints online without making any expense. So Google My Business Page is a wonderful thing. And the good news here is whatever I have discussed with you, so there may be a lot of things you might have noticed कि आपने बहुत सारी चीजें ऐसी देखी होंगी जो आपके पास नहीं है. और एक सक्सेसफुल बिजनेस रन करने के लिए यू वुड बी रिक्वायरिंग दिस सेट ऑफ things which I have discussed with you. We are also doing the same way, and the people who to whom you are seeing that their success in business, they are also opting these things in their business and marketing. And the good news is that we can make you learn whatever are the requirement of a good and successful or to become a successful business, the marketing requirements, all the skills which are required can be taken care by us, and we generally teach people, train people to add these skills in their life and their team. And at your convenience, in easy digestive way, we have created certain capsules you can take one by one as per your convenience, and the cost is very, very, very reasonable and affordable. And our upcoming programs, I mean, for tomorrow, we are going to do 4 hours, 1 day program, social media marketing mastery. So you can enroll yourself. So that is tomorrow around 12 o'clock. It is going to start and it will end around 4 o'clock. And we would be taking break in between also. So that is a wonderful program we are going to deliver. I mean, tomorrow you can learn the whole science of social media marketing in 4 hours time, and online training mastery, which we are going to conduct a 7 days course plus 30 days hand holding support then after, that is going to start on 7th April. So you can go for this also. And apart from this, there are a lot of programs we run for the freelancers and trainers, teachers, and entrepreneurs. And you can go to our website, that is peopletrainers.in, and you can get all the updates, what programs we are running and what are going to be started. Now, I would be handing over to my colleague, my fellow Satya, who would be demonstrating and make you able to create one Google My Business page and other certain activities. So thank you. Thanks a lot. So whatever questions you have, you can put those questions in the chat box so that I can be answering. I would be answering it in the chat box there only. Thank you. Thank you, Satya. It's over to you now.
Thank you, sir. So just participant, just let me know how many of you know Google Maps page. Just type me in the comment section. If you know about Google Maps page, just type me in the comment section. So मेरी voice audible है?
Yes, Satya, you are audible. Wonderful.
हाँ.
Yes.
Just type me in the comment section. How many of you have Google Maps page? Just type me in the comment section. Okay. Google My Business Page is just like this. If you type in the comment section, you will get a lot of reviews, lot of ratings. If you just type doctors near me and doctors near me, and you will get this Google Map with ratings and reviews. And this is the Google My Business page. And make sure you have to design your Google My Business page, but you have to be specific and you have to manage it well. So there is a whole science behind managing the Google My Business page, even the listing also. So this Google Business page is very good for search engine optimization. Means if you have any business,
If you have any business, make sure you should list on the Google. Why? Because if somebody search on the Google, what will happen? It automatically show your name on the tab on the top. So make sure if you want to make Google business page, it's very easy. And how you can make it? Just you have to go Google my. Just you have to write in the Chrome section Google My Business, and you have to tap create, and then just mention your business name. Make sure whatever business name you have on social media or Instagram, you should have same listing with same branding. Means you should have same branding on all the portal, whether it is Google business page, even Facebook or WhatsApp, whatever. Or even you should have same branding with logo also. So just I am mentioning one. I make Margdarshan. Okay, and click. This is my business name. Then just click next. Then mention category. Make sure there is already default categories already are present. So make sure choose one category which is related to your career. I want to list it as a career guidance service. And after once it's approved, you can add few more categories later. So make sure initially you should make write only one category. Once approval is done, you can add multiple categories, but all these categories should be related. They should be complementary to each other. Then you have to click, do you want to be shown on the Google map? Just type yes, and please mention the location. Next. Okay, just a minute.
Yes, Satya.
Just a minute, sir. Just a minute. Okay, ये मैंने पहले लिस्ट कर दिया है. Just a minute. Okay. Now it will show on the Google Business page, and just type yes, and make sure if if you're serving outside location, just mention Noida. Okay, so when you are listing your product and service, make sure you have to be specific. Suppose somebody is searching a doctors in Noida, so your chances to coming on the top is very less. So you have to be very specific. If I search Noida doctors in Noida sector 19, sector 20, so make sure whenever you are listing your particular business, you have to be specific. Even you have to be very specific, so that initially in the initially your business, your category should be ranked in the particular location. If somebody makes if somebody make the Google business page, just he mentioned his location Delhi, so the competition is way more intense, so you have to be specific in your area. Santnagar is very near to me. I will type and click, and next. Yes, and now it is ready. Make sure it will send one for verification. It will send one postcard, and you have to submit the postcard details on the particular. The one of 5-digit password will be there, and it will take up to 12 days to arrive on the particular mentioned address. In this way, you can make the Google Business page. What what do and don't you have to do in the Google Business page? Make sure. Suppose here is a Google Business page of offering hotel. So you can see the people who have written the reviews. Look at this. 88% positive, 75% positive, 81%. These keywords are automatically automatic came on the top from the write up of the individual. So make sure whenever you are mentioning any person to write reviews, to make sure you have to be specific what keyword you want to pitch. Suppose somebody is from training field. Suppose I will show my Google Business page. Now just look at this. So automatically it will rank training quality, course quality, and experience also. So make sure what keyword you want to rank on the top. Suppose you are from training field, just you can ask somebody, okay, please write the my write a review on the Google Maps page, but make sure please mention 2 or 3 category that I want. Just mention my teaching quality, customer care support, and uh, hand holding. So automatically these 3 topics will be visible on the top. So make sure whenever you are mentioning any person to write the write means review, make sure mention them at least write minimum 3 keyword that you like. You're not compelling to them to write the मतलब आपको लिखना है quality अच्छी, but just mention quality keyword. Just type handling keyword, what the main keyword that is very relevant to your business. For any hotel, this obviously food is the most important. Food, cleanliness, location, these are the most sorted keywords. So make sure you have to find which keywords is best for your business, on which can be ranked very easily. These keywords are very much important. So your reviews and rating are very important in the Google take very seriously about your reviews and rating. And make sure on the Google Bins page you have to upload photos and videos also. If you upload photo and video, the ranking of the page will improve and total views will also improve. In this way you should list your Google Bins page. If this is clear, just type me yes in the comment section. If you have any doubt you can ask. अभी किसी कोई डाउट है इस गूगल में बिजनेस पेज को, यू कैन आस्क. हेलो ऑडियंस, किसी का कोई डाउट है प्लीज पूछ
No
सकते हैं
doubt,
आप.
no doubt, Satya.
ओके, तो so whenever you're making Google page, add photos, add videos regularly, and please write the feedback in the reviews. ये है आपका गूगल में पेज. सेकेंडली, इफ यू आर ट्रेनर, सर आई थिंक सो मेनी पर्सन आर ट्रेनर इन दिस कैटेगरी, आई थिंक सो.
Yes,
सर बहुत
Satya.
सारे.
Yes, Satya.
हाँ, सो आई जस्ट ये कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री है, मैंने सोचा था. सो फॉर ए ट्रेनर एंड टीचर द मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट इफ समबडी राइट, ठीक है सर, आप ना म्यूट का राइट सबको दे दो सर, अनम्यूट करने का राइट सर.
Okay, Satya.
ओके, चलिए. सो कितना अच्छा हुआ है कि somebody search my name and my profile should be on the top. If somebody searching about your name, and you should be visible on the Google on the top page. So how we can do it very easily? This is a complimentary gift from our side. Look at this. If I type Satya,
Yes, Satya.
फिर
Everyone has unmute right now.
ओके से मैंने टाइप किया सत्यवीर सिंह. So what will happen on this page? This is my profile. Means इतने में से यहाँ मेरी प्रोफाइल आ रही है, इसके बाद और बाकी सब एक और लोग आ रहे हैं नीचे. So make sure if I type मार्गदर्शन, तो my content will be on. मार्गदर्शन करो definitely. Okay, this all this content mostly मेरे links हैं पूरे इसमें. So make sure whenever person is writing about your company or writing about your product or service, it should be on the top. How we can do it very easily, effectively? The most important for a trainer is the events. Please make sure events. Why I'm mentioning? Please make sure events platform. Look at this. If I type Satya Bir Singh, initially 2 months back, second profile was mine. The second, and now this they have ranked. First of all, look at this. This is my profile. It's listed on event ID. So make sure whenever you mention your events on other platform, automatically it will make the links. So these links are very very valuable. So make sure you should list your events regularly on the platform, and you will get a lot of traffic from there also. ये जो listing है is most important, and most of the time the listing is nowadays is totally free of cost. You can list your service in India, and if you are very good comfortable in English, what you can do, you can list your event in the abroad also. So what will happen, you will get lot of customer from there. So first is the event listing, second is the writing a ebook. Look at this, the person have written this sorry, second is Google citation. Go here and you can write one citation there. Just make your make a presence in a citation page. So this will show on the top, and the most important, having your Google. Look at this, this person have a Google My Business page on their name, so automatically it will ranking. So in this way, Google My Business page and your citation, and the most important, listing of your event on others platform. If I type Madhasan Guru, you can see the lot of backlinks we have. Just a minute, ये मेरे वेबसाइट के नहीं है, ऑटोमेटिकली रैंक कर रहे हैं पूरा। देखिए अलग अलग वेबसाइट पे, why we are listed our event. So in the same way, you have to list your event on the platform, so that this keyword, whatever keyword you are writing, it can when somebody search, it should be on the first page of the Google. This is very important. So having Google My Business page, secondly listing your events and Google citation, and the most important that you can have, you can write one Amazon book, Amazon Kindle book. One Amazon, just for 5 or 6 pages is enough. Writing a one ebook and uploading that particular ebook on Amazon, what will happen, it will show in the book section. So in the same way, in the 4 or 5 things that you have to do simultaneously, that what will, by this what will have, but you will have your own listing on the top, on the top of the page, either in form of your name, or in form of your in, in your business name. So make sure, and being a trainer, you should have your own listing first. Got it, sir? सर मेरा स्क्रीन शेयर नहीं हो रहा था क्या सर? भूल गया था।
Yes, Satya.
नो
मेरा
सर,
स्क्रीन
नहीं
नहीं,
सर,
ओके,
स्क्रीन
मुझे
शेयर नहीं है।
मैं बस बता देते सर, मुझे लगा स्क्रीन शेयर हो रहा है। जस्ट अ मिनट। ओके, अभी शेयर है सर स्क्रीन?
अबाउट टू कम सत्या, अभी आने वाला है। यस, अभी आया।
Okay. Now, if somebody type Margdarshan Guru, what will happen? Automatically, it will show the link of Facebook, YouTube, and you will say, this link is not mine. It is on another website. Same link, another website, same link. So when you have your listing on another website, it will improve your branding, and it will improve your acceptability. So to rank your to list your content on the other website, what you have to do, the first of all, you have to list your event on the platform. There is more than 8 events: Eventbrite, all events, Mera event, Event Insider. There are a lot of, more than 8, on which you can list your event. Make sure whenever you list event, it should list any free category. So what will happen, most of the time they do not ask for money, and if they're asking for the money to list your free category, please reduce the price to up to 100 rupees or 200 rupees for per participant for one webinar. So what will happen, you after listing 4 or 5 times, automatically you will have your name, just like here, just like we have we have on event high. So make sure whenever listing, please make sure write your own name and your brand name also. So what will happen, this organic these backlink will promote you a lot. So listing your event online is the most important. And if you're I am not well versed in English, where English अच्छी नहीं है, but if you're very good, are good in English, so whatever, in the same way you can list your event in Singapore, in Australia, in Canada. So what nowadays, people, lot more people are willing to join online live webinar. Now it is a common trend now. So this is the first aspect. Second, listing your brand on the Google Images page. Second, writing a ebook. Writing ebook is most important. And and this ebook you can upload on Amazon Kindle very easily and effectively. So ये बहुत ध्यान रखना कि this ebook is very essential for uh, having branding on the top. So, and second, last one, Google में especially you have to list your business on Google Scholar, googlescholar.com, and here you have to just make sure list your business in cited section. So what will have automatically it will show. And the last important, if you are very well versed, just I will type just Lokman Singh. Please do not mind Lokman sir. So look at this. What will happen? Lokman मैंने type किया Lokman Singh. So you are showing a Wikipedia page. So you can make your Wikipedia profile. So what will have automatic, because if somebody is searching your name or your brand name, so what what should be on the top? So on the first page, if you are getting listed, if you're able to bring your name or your brand name on the top, on the category, there will be more than 100 100 Satyabir Singh or 200 Lokman in a particular reason. But if your photo is coming on the top, make sure Wikipedia plays very important role. So have your profile on Wikipedia also. So this will increase your personal branding. तो ये आज का सेशन था. अभी किसी को डाउट है प्लीज पूछ सकते हैं आप लोग.
No doubt, Satya. So thank you,
Sorry,
everyone.
Yes, sir.
रिगार्डिंग हमने डिस्कस किया तो हमारा तो एनजीओ, तो उसमें बिजनेस में कैसा कैटेगरी में डाल सकते हैं एनजीओ के लिए?
अब बिजनेस में आप देखिए, जब आप लिस्ट करोगे जस्ट अ मिनट एनजीओ को, तो उसमें एनजीओ की कैटेगरी देखना, एनजीओ की कैटेगरी आई, एनजीओ के आसपास की कैटेगरी आएगी, वो आपको लिस्ट करना है. आपका सपोज मैंने ओल्ड एज होम डाला, ओल्ड एज, नाउ यहाँ आप डाल सकते हो. जस्ट अ मिनट प्लीज मेक श्योर लुक एट अवेलेबल है सर ये तो.
हाँ हाँ हाँ, ओके
ठीक है, तो ये आप लिस्टिंग क्लिक कर दीजिए, बस ओल्ड एज होम आ जाएगा ऑटोमेटिकली.
ओके ओके ओके. एक्चुअली
गॉट इट
मैंने
सर?
क्रिएट किया था, उन्होंने एक
हाँ,
मेल भेजा था कि तुमको वेरिफिकेशन के लिए एक लेटर आएगा. वो पता नहीं मुझे एक्चुअली नेक्स्ट स्टेप पे क्या हुआ. तो
आप चेक कीजिएगा, वेरिफिकेशन लेटर 12 से 13 दिन में आता है, और कई बार अगर नहीं आए तो प्लीज रीलिस्ट कीजिए उसको दोबारा किसी और आईडी से, तब भी आ जाता है.
ओ, तो पीडीएफ
हाँ
का मेल पे नहीं आता क्या बाय?
सर, मेल पे जल्दी नहीं आता. फर्स्ट टाइम लिस्टिंग कर रहे हो तो मेल पे नहीं आता. अगर मैं किसी और आईडी से, मेरी एक और आईडी है जो ऑलरेडी 10 साल से मैं यूज कर रहा हूँ, उस पर मुझे इनका लिस्टिंग का पासवर्ड नहीं आया था, ऑटोमेटिकली ऑनलाइन वेरीफाई कर दिया था. कुछ टाइम में अगर आईडी आपका पुराना नहीं है तो वो सीधे आपको पोस्ट कार्ड भेजते हैं, ताकि वेरीफाई करते हैं कि बकायदा वो आपका है कि नहीं है.
ओ, तो
जिस
अभी
नाम का, यस
नया
सर,
नया ईमेल एड्रेस करके ट्राई किया तो चलेगा?
हाँ यस, नया ईमेल बनाइए, उस पर फिर ट्राई कीजिए, फिर वेट कीजिए, तो आपको अंदाजा लग जाएगा सर.
ओके ओके.
सेकेंडली, जो आपका प्रोफाइल है, जैसे आपने गूगल में बिजनेस पेज बनाया, सेम नाम का यूट्यूब बनाइए, सेम नाम का इंस्टा बनाइए, सेम नाम का फेसबुक पेज बनाइए, सेम नाम की लिस्टिंग विकीपीडिया पे कीजिए, गूगल में पेज कीजिए, एंड इवेंट्स पे कीजिए. तो
ओके.
ऑल एंड ऑल व्हाट विल हैपन कि आपका लिमिटेड टाइम फ्रेम में आपका ऑनलाइन प्रेजेंस विदाउट पैसा दिए हो जाएगा. ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है कि कोई सर्च करे आपका नाम तो गूगल के फर्स्ट पेज पे या सेकंड पेज पे आपका अवेलेबल हो आपका नाम, ताकि लोग देख सके ये ब्रांडिंग इनकी अवेलेबल है ऑनलाइन से.
सर अभी कैसा हो गया, हमने माउली रुद्राश्रम करे तो ये मराठी वर्ड हो गया है, तो उसके आईडी से हमने वेबसाइट बनाया, उसके आईडी से हमने सब पेजेस वगैरह बनाए. तो उसको चेंज करके माउली ओल्ड एज होम किया तो चलेगा क्या? रुद्राश्रम रखेंगे तो दैट विल वर्क?
एक ही टाइप का गूगल बिजनेस पेज कई जगह हो सकते हैं.
हाँ हाँ हाँ
ठीक है, तो आप वो आपका वेरीफाई नहीं हुआ ना सर.
हाँ
जब तक
हाँ.
वेरिफिकेशन नहीं होगा तब तक ऑनलाइन आपको विजुअल होगा, दूसरों को विजिबल नहीं होगा.
नहीं नहीं, मैं बात कर रहा हूँ सर फेसबुक के और इंस्टा पेज की. तो सभी
हाँ,
जगह पे मैंने माउली रुद्राश्रम डाला, दैट विल वर्क राइट?
बट उसी सेम नाम का गूगल बिजनेस पेज होना चाहिए सर.
हाँ हाँ हाँ, ठीक है ठीक है ठीक
ठीक
है.
है. ना किसी और का कोई क्वेरी है? ओके, आप सबसे रिक्वेस्ट है कि आज का सेशन आपको कैसा लगा, क्या आपको अच्छा लगा, क्या आप इम्प्रूवमेंट चाहते हैं, कोई भी आप अपना हैंड रेज करके मुझे बताइए कि कैसा लगा आपको आज का, क्योंकि लिमिटेड टाइम में इतना बताना पॉसिबल नहीं था। तो एनीबडी जो इंटरेस्टेड है अपना फीडबैक देने में, प्लीज आप मैंने अनम्यूट करके आप बोल सकते हैं।
Yes, very good evening to you all. Myself Paramjit Garewal.
Yes, sir.
We really appreciate आपने जिस हिसाब से इसे बड़े सिंपल वे में बताया, और ये काफी मतलब इंटरेक्टिव था और इनोवेटिव भी था, और जो चीजें हमारे आसपास ही हैं लेकिन हमें नहीं पता थी कि हम इस पे एडवर्टाइज कर सकते हैं, और जो आपने खास बात बताई कि सबका लिंकेज एक होना चाहिए, that's good thing we don't know earlier. That's really good. तो जो कि हमें
Okay, sir.
किसी चीज को कंपाइल करने में या ऑनलाइन जो हम अपना प्रोफाइल देना चाहते हैं, जो आउटलुक चाहते हैं, उसको अचीव करने के लिए हमें काम आएगा. दैट्स वेरी बेसिक फॉर अस, और अच्छा लगा. थैंक यू.
Thank you, sir.
शिरीष यार सर,
Yes, sir.
कुछ क्लैरिटी मिला तो रिगार्डिंग बिजनेस गोल सेटिंग कैसा कर सकते हो, और मेनली वो स्ट्रैटेजी और प्लान जो बताया उसमें बहुत डाउट्स थे कैसे स्ट्रैटेजी और प्लान बनाने का, तो उसका कुछ फ्रेमवर्क कैसा है उसका इंफॉर्मेशन थोड़ा ओवरव्यू तो मिला एज, क्योंकि हम तो इनिशियल लेवल पे, तो एक क्लैरिटी हो गया कि ऐसा चलता है मार्केट में, तो हमको ऐसा प्लानिंग करना पड़ेगा, ऐसा स्ट्रेटेजी डिफाइन करना पड़ेगा, तो बाद में आपका हेल्प लगेगा शायद, तो कुछ शीट्स वगैरह होंगे वो स्ट्रेटेजी और गोल ये करने के लिए, तो आप शेयर कर देना वो स्ट्रेटेजी कैसे डिफाइन कर सकते हैं।
थैंक यू सर। कोई और फीडबैक देना चाहते हैं तो दे सकते हैं। एक पॉइंट मैं और ऐड करना चाहता हूँ। नाउ डेज आपके लिए बहुत जरूरी है कि व्हेन यू आर लिस्टिंग योर बिजनेस, website is very relevant today, but the apps are the future. Apps are the future. So there are many companies on which you can make your app without coding. This is the Indian company. Hardly is charge 100 rupees per month. It hardly charge 100 rupees per month. Here you can make your drag and drop app very easily and effectively. ठीक है, आप 1000 2000 1500 में अपना ऐप आप लिस्ट खुद कर सकते हैं। सो अगर आपकी ब्रांडिंग है तो मेक श्योर ऐप बना सकते हो खुद ही आप। दिस इज ड्रैग एंड ड्रॉप प्लेटफॉर्म। आप खुद ही बेसिक ऐप अपना ऐसे बना पाओगे। जस्ट कॉस्ट 100 रुपीज ओनली पर मंथ। 100 रुपए शुरुआत होता है, तो बेसिक ऐप अपना आप बना सकते हो। लुक एट दिस, more than 2000 companies are made their app, Android app with this platform. So आप ऐसे स्टार्ट कर सकते हो। ये एड ऑन बता रहा हूँ ताकि आपकी लिस्टिंग हो पाए। Website is important, but with the website, if you have your app, whether it is you are not updating at all, it is just basic, but if person install your app, it is probability कि 10 दिन तक वो uninstall नहीं करेगा। तो ये ब्रांडिंग का ये बहुत हेल्प कर सकता है आपको। तो ऐप अपना बनाना, ये 1000 रुपए में आप खुद का ऐप बना सकते हो ऑटोमेटिकली, इजीली एंड इफेक्टिवली। आपको किसी डेवलपर की जरूरत नहीं है।
सर इसको पेमेंट गेटवे
appify.com है।
इसमें पेमेंट गेटवे
यस, इसमें ऐड कर सकते हो सर। सब आप ऐड कर सकते हो सर। आप देखिए, आपको जाओगे इसमें, ये प्लेटफॉर्म आप देखिएगा, बेसिक करा सकते हो आप। एडवांस चाहिए तो एडवांस में आप अपना मंथली जैसे टारगेट, जैसे आपको क्लाइंटेल सिलेक्शन आप दे सकते हो। बट किसी को बिल्कुल अपना ऐप दिखाना है बस, उसमें 900 रुपए 90 रुपए पर मंथ, ज्यादा नहीं है वैसे। ठीक है, तो अगर आप एज ए बिजनेस रजिस्टर करना चाहते हो तो आप गोल्डन प्लान ले सकते हो। और ये इससे ऐप इतने अच्छे बनते हैं कि इसी आप डेवलपर को पैसा दोगे उससे बहुत बेटर ऐप्स बनते हैं। ठीक है, ये जस्ट लाइक जैसे वर्डप्रेस है, वर्डप्रेस प्लेटफॉर्म है जहाँ ड्रैग एंड ड्रॉप करके हम लोग वेबसाइट्स बनाते हैं, सेम यही प्लेटफॉर्म है एंड्रॉइड एप्लीकेशंस का।
और सर
तो आप इसको, इंडियन कंपनी है क्या सर?
हमारा कुछ जैसे लैंडिंग पेजेस में इमेजेस वगैरह डिजाइन करके डालते हैं खुद के ग्राफिक्स, तो वो भी इसमें डालना पड़ेगा डिजाइन स्पेसिफिक फॉर्मेट में?
नहीं, इसमें आपका ये कि ये इसका ऐप के फॉर्म में आ जाएगा आपका। देखिए ऑब्जेक्टिव ये कि अगर एक ऐप हो आपके पास,
हाँ
और आपने कोई प्रोग्राम रन किया और आपने उसने ऐप डाउनलोड कर लिया, तो एक बार ऐप डाउनलोड करने के बाद लोग अनइंस्टॉल नहीं करते जल्दी। वेबसाइट में लोग विजिट करेंगे, उसको पता लगेगा वेबसाइट में कौन आ रहा है कि नहीं आ रहा। तो अगर कोई भी छोटा सा ऐप है, भले उसमें कंटेंट कम है, तो ऐप की ब्रांडिंग अलग होती है, तो वो आप साथ में कर सकते हैं, क्योंकि ये प्लेटफॉर्म बहुत ही सस्ता है। आपको 1000-1200 में आप खुद का ऐप बना सकते हो। वो बहुत बेसिक है, बहुत बेसिक है।
वेरी गुड सर, थैंक यू।
कल हमारे एक सेशन है सोशल मीडिया मास्टरी का, लगभग ये 4 घंटे का सेशन रहेगा, बट होता 4 घंटे का, लगभग 5 घंटे तक जाता है। तो आप ज्वाइन कर सकते हो। फेसबुक पे आप मार्केटिंग कैसे करेंगे, पेड ऐड कैसे रन करेंगे, बहुत चीजें इसमें हम सिखाएंगे आपको। तो आप इसमें कल के वेबिनार में मेक श्योर 4 घंटा टाइम है, बट ऑलमोस्ट ये 5 घंटा जाता है। पिछले जब संडे को कितने भी रन किए, लगभग 5 घंटे तक गए। आधे घंटे का बस ब्रेक होता है इसमें, 2 से 2:30 बजे के आसपास आप कंसिडर कर सकते हैं। किसी और का कोई फीडबैक है जहां से आपने क्या सीखा और क्या हमें इम्प्रूव करना चाहिए, बहुत मुझे अच्छा लगेगा सुनने में। एनीबॉडी एल्स? आप अनम्यूट कर सकते हैं, राइट है आपके पास, या कोई डाउट हो आपका? चलिए, आप सबका हार्दिक धन्यवाद और फिर मिलेंगे नेक्स्ट वेबिनार में, और तब तक के लिए गुड नाइट, धन्यवाद।